didn't say I was going to come on here, so this is a little bit off the cuff. I'm just going to have a quick look because I'm having a real struggle with me showing up right. I seem to be a bit like that recently. So I'm just going to check. I said to be the right way, which is marvellous. Oh, I don't want to hear me. Go away, go away. Right, okay, so you can see me. So my apologies for my surroundings. Look at me. I'm kind of in the broom cupboard that is my husband's office. And I'm not normally in here, but we have building work going on at the moment. So I didn't want to put you out there. You might even hear them. You won't see them, but hopefully you won't hear them too much. There is diggers going on and all sorts. I think they are trying to build a site that looks like something we can do the World War I trench reenactment in, but there we go. That's a whole other story and not one of the reasons why I am here. So my apologies for this, but that's not why I'm here. Have a look at me. Hiya. I can see people jumping on, so hopefully you can see me and hear me okay. I'm hoping. Give us a thumbs up or a little bit of love if you can hear me and see me, and then I can share. Anyone? I know there's a delay. Yay, we've got thumbs up, so that's perfect, that's good. So I'm here literally not for very long today, but just to kind of tell you about something that is coming up in July. We have a promotion going on. Woohoo! Well, there's a couple of promotions going on in July, but I'm here to tell you about one in particular and kind of show you this. Because Stampin' Up have announced that during July, if you join the Stampin' Up family between July the 1st and July the 31st, then not only do you pick £130 of your choice from the current catalogue, you just £99. So the starter kit is available all year round, and it's £130 worth of products of your choice for £99. That is a great deal any time of the year anyway. Who doesn't want to pay that? And you don't pay P&P. That £99 is £99 and that's it. So you save yourself sort of 35 quid. So if you have a wish list that's reaching or over £99, then the starter kit is something you should look at anyway. So what is the offer? During July, if you join the Stampin' Up team by buying a starter kit, then not only do you get access to lots of other things, we are throwing in a whole pack of new style ink pads of your choice. That's £63. £63! I'm so excited about this. I was going to go through them all. Look, I've got packs galore here, just waiting. So these are my new ink pads. I haven't even got out the packaging, as you can see, yet. So obviously the ink pads changed slightly from the... Oh, I can't even open these. These are all brand new. So they have a new... They now open like that rather than pushing back. And the ink just has a defoamer in it. Sometimes the ink was a little bit bubbly. Not always. And it's just something that they've added that now makes everything beautiful. Beautiful. So, yeah. So if you want to come and join the gang in July, if it's something you've thought about, even if it's something you've not thought about, we have all sorts of people in the Stampin' Stars team, as we are called. There are over 200 of us all over the country and Northern Ireland, and we just have great fun together. We have a few. Hi, Layla. Layla, you can share with everybody how much fun we have in the Stampin' Stars team. Layla has come to events with us, and she knows some of us as well. So yeah, becoming a demonstrator is a little bit misleading. The word demonstrator is I've got to demonstrate, and actually you don't. And probably 90% plus of people who join Stampin' Up as a demonstrator don't demonstrate. They just buy products for themselves at a discount, and that's fine. There are minimum requirements to stay as a demonstrator, and I'll be open and honest and say that is £270 of catalogue price product, which you would only pay £225 for, and normally that is every quarter. But July is the start of a new quarter. The quarters run for a calendar quarters, so January, February, March, April, May, June. So July is the start of a new quarter. And Stampin' Up are lovely in that they ignore your first quarter then, so they don't even count July, August and September. And your first official quarter for your quarterly minimum requirements is October, November, December. So in fact, join in July and you get 6 months. 6 months to put through your minimum requirements. Now that could be something that you buy yourself if you have a bit of a big wish list, or you treat yourself as you should, more than you should maybe. Then just becoming, we call them hobbyists, some people call themselves hobbyists. I mean, a demonstrator is a demonstrator. It doesn't matter how much you buy or sell, everybody gets exactly the same benefits. But as I say, some people call themselves hobbyists, and that's absolutely fine. If you think you're going to buy more than £270 out of the catalogue between now and Christmas, or the end of Christmas, then you may as well sign up as a demonstrator. Not only do you get 20% off all your orders between now and December, you get a pack of ink pads of your choice for free. £63. Am I getting this across? How excited I am about this. It's an amazing offer. As I say, the ink pads have recently changed, and you can pick whichever colour family you want. You can't pick 10 random ink pads if you have some already, but you can pick one colour family. So as the colour families are in the catalogues, it's the brights, or the subtles, or the regals, or the neutrals, or both sets of in colour ones. So that's one set of ink colours, and you can get the other one. So 10 ink pads, £63. They're £7 each. You'll buy them in the set, they're 63, and that's what you can pick. So I just wanted to come on and share that with you. It's available all throughout July. My only concern is, if you think about it, I'm not in the country from the 19th of July. So if you've got any questions at all about joining, do I have to do this, do I have to do that, what do I have to do, then either message me or write a comment below this video, and I'm more than happy to share the honest truth with you. There is no, everyone kind of like that, and I'll be honest with you, I am Mrs. Cynical, and I'm like, what's the catch? What's the catch? There really isn't a catch. I think some direct sales companies, some other ones, and some in the past perhaps, have, if you don't do X, Y, Z, you have to give your starter kit back or pay full price for your starter kit or anything like that. And Stampin' Up is just not like that. Stampin' Up does not go in for the hard sell. And you are absolutely in control of what you want to do with a Stampin' Up business, and whether that's by just buying discounts, buying products for yourself and getting a discount, or whether that's running it as a full-time business as I do, and everything in between. You can run classes, you can run a business making cards for people and selling your cards and projects and things like that. You can do home parties, you can do events, and you don't have to do any of it. It's entirely up to you what you do. That's why I'm popping on, really, just to kind of say, wow, 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 wow. Great deal. Already had a few people saying they're signing up. That's it, job done. I think it's great. I think it's a great promotion, and I know lots of people are going to take advantage of it. What's not to love? £63 worth of ink pads for free, £130 worth of products for £99 posted, and you get discounts for the next 6 months. And not only have we just had this new catalogue, so anything of your choice, £130 out of that catalogue for £99, plus your choice of the ink pads. And then we also have, what else we have coming up in the next 6 months? We have a Christmas catalogue, or autumn winter catalogue to give it its correct name. That goes live to customers September the 1st, but if you're a demonstrator, you get access to it early in August. It's a little bit too early, August for me. September is when I can think about Christmas, but not really before. But some people are Christmas in July and Christmas cards all done by September, so if that's you, you could get your hands on some of the products early in August. What else happens? We also have an event called On Stage, so Stampin' Up do twice, it's not biannual, it's twice a year event, sort of April time and November time. And the next one is in November, November the 8th, 9th, whichever the Saturday is. I want to say it's the 9th of November, in Birmingham. at the Vox Centre this year, and registration for that on-stage event opens in August. So again, if you join in July or before August the 14th or 16th, I think it applies to. Although this offer, this inkpad offer, is only on for July. But sign up for on-stage registration and you can come and have fun and have a training day and get together with the group and just really have a fun time. So yeah, that's what I kind of wanted to share really. Why not? Why not get a discount off of the things that you're buying anyway? If you've got any questions, then give me a shout. Say post them below, PM me, email me, natalie@natalieoshea.co.uk. and we'll get straight back to you. And yeah, I just think it's great. And I just wanted to share that with you. I don't want you to miss out. I know lots of people think about it, or maybe you've just found me and you don't know what I'm talking about. If you want to go to www.natalieoshea, which is NATALIEOSHEA.co.uk. You can find out all about me, my business. You can find out about my story and how I got started. I've been a demonstrator for, it'll be 10 years in July. I can't believe it. It's brought so much to my life, and I'm not a gushy person, I have to say, but I am really just so blessed to have found Stampin' Up. I love the products, obviously, and you know what, I just love being part of a group of women who empower each other to do what they want to do with their Stampin' Up businesses. I enjoy it. I've made so many friends, I've travelled the world, and just had so many amazing experiences that I just wouldn't have had if I hadn't have been part of this. So if you want to come and be part of our fabulous team, then we would love to have you. We are people who understand that Stampin' Up has 2 sheets of each pattern in our designer series paper, because of course you have to keep one, sniff one, and you can use one. We understand that we get excited about bits of ribbon and shiny gems. We are all part of the gang that just understands the love of paper crafting and getting out there. And you know, as I say, it's not just about getting a discount, but that is one of the reasons. But some people want to make a couple of £100 a month. Maybe that helps cover your mortgage, maybe it pays for some trips, maybe you can save for a holiday, whatever it is. If you've got a goal in mind, if you didn't think that being creative and running card classes or selling crafting products could get you that, I'm here to ask you to think again. You absolutely can. I gave up my job, my main job, at the end of December last year. So for 6 months now I've been doing Stampin' Up full time, because Stampin' Up earned me more money than my main job did, and it was finally time to take the leap. So yeah, come and be part of something that I just love, and hope that you will too. So say any questions, give me a shout. I am already looking forward to welcoming a few ladies into the team. Doesn't have to be just ladies though, we have had gentlemen. But some ladies that have already contacted me, who are joining us in July, I would love it if you would come and join us too. So Shirley goes, yes please, come and join us, Shirley. We just had the best time, and yeah, we are all here. We have we're over 200 demonstrators with all different various experiences, different levels of what they want to do, and we're all here to help. So Shirley and Teresa, if you are saying yes please to wanting more information, then just say PM me. If you've got any particular questions, then give me a shout as well. But yeah, I'd love to share it with people, and you can have a bit of what we've got too. So right, I'm going to leave it there because I said this would be very quick. So it was lovely to see you. If you've got any questions, then just shout. Don't forget, 10 ink pads of your choice in July. There we go. And I am going to actually sit and open these. I haven't been opening these because I've been waiting to do this video so I could show you them like this as they come. Look, 2 of my favourite colours as well, Bermuda Bay and Granny Apple Green. What's not to love? Right, I'm going to go and leave it there. Give me a shout. I'd love to welcome you to the team.